XLM, we start with 1 hour chart. If you refer to our analysis in my last video, when the price was with the, since the price was within this mid, we mentioned we're looking for the reversal, and this is what we get. And if we refer to my last analysis, we mentioned we want to see the breakout of the stop. If not, we can see this one turn to a flat. As we can see, the price drop, and no one see what's the next. If we put this one as a flat, we want to see the price to retest the previous low. Then from there, we look for reversal. And how about if this one turn to a correction relative to this? Okay, then if we put this one as a correction relative to this, if we put our fib here, almost this one dropped to 61%. And now want to see how we can look for trade. First, we move to daily chart. We move to, as we can see, based on daily chart, we mentioned we can expect the price to consolidate here for a longer time before we get the reversal. And right from now, the only thing is if we get any trade set up for buy within this range, this is what we're looking for. Okay. Now it doesn't mean the price cannot drop, it can, but we are more interested in the buy rather than the sell. And if we move to forward chart, even right now we can see this flat. And if we get one more drop with the breakout of this, we can get mostly we can expect to get the divergence. It can give us better confirmation for the reversal rather than the price reverse from here without breaking the previous low. That's why we mentioned even based on 1 hour chart, if the price retests the previous low, it can give us better trade setup. But what we can see here is still we can consider this one as a correction in relative to this. That means even if we get any trade setup for buy from here, we will take the trade. Then how we can look for trade? Just a simple method. First of all, if we get any sharp move like as a reversal or having entry above here, it can be an option in case the price sharply reverse from here. But we should know having entry above the top can be really risky because what we want the price sharply break and continue the price tag. We see it's not moving within the first maximum 2 hours. Second hours, we take out the trade. Again, it's really risky because simply the price can tag and this one tend to internal flat and the price drop and retest the previous low because in the bigger picture, we have this flat. Okay. Anyway, if we get any trade setup either with the short move flag or having entry above here, we want to see the breakout of the stop. How high it can go if we get the trade, then from there I will highlight how high it can go. I mean update. And right now having entry above here, which is around, if we zoom in, we can put around 0.386. Okay. And by the way, the best things is if this one give us a continuation retest the previous low. We are not looking for the sell, we're looking for buy. And again, having entry above here is very risky. Simply the price can reverse, tag, and drop. Then it depends on the traders whether they want to put their entry above here or above the stop. It can be an option for them. Okay. And again, if we wants to put our entry above here, maybe just adjust it, put a bit higher. How about if we put around 1.3, we put a bit higher. The reason is even if the price reverse, if this one turns to flat, at least we are not in the trade. Because what we want the price reverse as a sharp move. If the price reverses a corrective move, we are not going to really take the trade. Okay. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.